Hello everyone and welcome you all to our history class. In our previous discussion we have studied that how social reformers had criticized the caste discrimination and social inequalities. In our today's class we will be studying some other social reformers like Mahatma Jyotiba Phule and Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. So let us first discuss Mahatma Jyotirao Phule. He was born in 1827 and he studied in the schools which were set up by Christian missionaries. After growing up, he has developed his own ideas about the injustice of caste society. He had attacked on Brahmins who claimed that they were the Aryans and because of it they were superior to others. But Phule argued that the Aryans were the foreigners who came from outside the subcontinent and they defeated and subjugated the true children of the country. As the Aryans established their dominance, they began looking at the defeated population as inferior, as low caste people. According to Phule, the upper caste had no right to their land and power. In reality, he thought that the land belongs to the indigenous people, which were the low caste people. Phule claimed that before the Aryan rule, the society was enjoying the Marathas' rule, which were just and favor. So he argued or he pleaded the lower caste people, that is Shudras and Ati Shudras, to unite and to challenge the caste discrimination. He has founded one association, that was Satya Shodhak Samaj, who propagated caste equalities. He wrote one book named Gulamgiri, meaning slavery, in 1873. He has dedicated this book to all the Americans who fought against the slavery. We have studied that before 1873, let us say before 10 years of the decade, the American Civil War was being fought, and in that slavery war, the black slaves of America had made themselves free from the slavery. And in this book, we have seen that Phule had found a link between the low caste of India and the black slaves of America. And we have also seen that Phule had also criticized the situation of upper caste women. He has also talked about the humiliation of the low castes and the condition or the miseries of the laborers. And these same movement which was led by Phule was continued in other parts of the country by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar in Western India and E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar in South India. B.R. Ambedkar was born in Mahar family. As a child, he experienced caste prejudices in his everyday life. In school, he was forced to sit outside of the classroom. He was not allowed to drink water from the same taps where the upper caste children were using. After finishing his school, he got a fellowship to go to the US for higher studies. When he returned in India in 1919, he wrote extensively about upper caste power in contemporary society. In 1927, we have seen that Ambedkar has started a temple entry movement which allowed the Mahars to enter in the temple, and this movement was supported by his Mahar followers. But Brahmin priests were outraged when the Dalits used water from the temple tank and when they entered the temples. Here we have given the information that Ambedkar has led three such movements between 1927 and 1935 to make his people enter in the temples, and he has worked against the caste prejudices. So in our today's discussion we have studied the reformations of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and Mahatma Jyotiba Phule. In our next class we will be discussing the non-Brahmin movement. Thank you.